Hey everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get these live animated wallpapers or backgrounds on your Windows PC. This is very easy. Go on over to the Microsoft Store, and we have to download an application called Lively. So you might be able to find the store down here at the bottom. Just click on it, and this says Store on it, Microsoft Store. So if we scroll on down under here, you can see at the bottom of this page, I have this option for store, Microsoft Store, or just go on over to search and just type in store under here, store. And you can find the Microsoft Store under here. So let's just click this and open this up. And we want to go ahead and get this application called Lively Wallpapers. So just go up to the top and just type this in, Lively Wallpapers. It's live, L-Y, wallpapers. And this is what it looks like. Open this up and install under here. And it's super easy to install under the Microsoft Store. All you do is hit install and then you hit open. So it should pop up for you once you do this. So let's just open this up. And it might be down here on the bottom. You just have to click on it and then find it on whatever monitor it is. And then we can close this in the bottom here. And now we can see our background and we can see Lively. Now, the Minecraft one and the Doom Guy one is something I added. I'll show you how to do that in like a minute. So you can just click on the wallpaper and you can very easy add in the background. Now, a lot of times you're going to be using one or two or three or 20 different monitors. Let's just go to the monitor selection in the top. So you can see this little icon right here that you can select your 1, 2, and 3. So select your monitor, then select your picture, then go to the next monitor. Right here, select your monitor, and then select your picture. And that's how you can get it to change. Otherwise, you do have options to span it. If you go to duplicate, a lot of times when I go to duplicate, it's not animated anymore, so I don't suggest you don't do that. Just click it and go to each individual wallpaper. So we have the ones on here, or we can add our own. So if we go to the plus icon, we can drop and drag a video that we have, or we can go to a specific URL. So this one's like YouTube for some reason. I don't know if this is an actual one. What is this? I'll just try adding it. Oh, Buck Bang. What is this? I don't know. So this is just something they have on here. It looks like it's a YouTube video, and you can just add it on here and copy it on over. So wait until this green bar finishes, and then you should be able to have it on here. Maybe this is like an advertisement or something they put on here. So you can just do that real easy and watch that. So let's go on over to a website. I'll show you how to get a lot more of these, and it's very easy. So let's go over to google.com, and then type in Motion BG. And then go to the first option right here, Motion BGs, and that's with an SBGS.com. And let's see if I can just zoom in on this so you can see what that looks like. Motionbgs.com. Let's click on this. This is the website. And then we can just type something in. Let's type in something different. This time we had Minecraft and Doom Guy. Before, let's type in I usually like Halo, something very basic. So we got Master Chief in here. So they got 9,000 live wallpapers. You can just search by games in different categories on top. Let's go to one of these with Master Chief. Let's go to this one. Yeah, that's fine. Scroll on down if you like it. We got the HD wallpaper or the 4K one, depending on if you're on a 1080p device or a 4K device, and then just save it in a location you can remember. Or you can just open up the location right here, and then you can just, drop and drag it in there. Actually, I want to go to the other option, not that one. Show in folder. We can show it in the folder. And then we can just drop it into where I showed you before. So we can close this down, Lively still open, go to the plus icon, and we can drop and drag in here. A lot of times I just go to choose file. And then let's go to Master Chief. Okay. And then we can just add this in here. Go to OK. Wait until this green bar at the bottom Wait until that green bar kind of is like done. Okay, it's done. Now we can add that as the background. And we should be good now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.